Alright guys, as promised, this is phase 4 introduction, and let's make it quick. So this is a new phase 4. We haven't done this phase like this before, so it is the first time on the 24-week plan. You guys, first of all, the concept is going to be higher protein than you're used to, high fat, low carb. That's the concept. 4 facts you need to know. It is a carb rotating phase, which means 25 grams on the first day, 25 grams on day 2, 50, 50, 75, 75, and Sunday is the highest carb day, which is 100 grams of carbs per day. So I'll break it down right now. Okay, so number 2, rotating your meats is optional. So which means that you don't have to follow the color coordinated stuff, because I know some of you I just like to eat chicken every day, even though phase 3 tells you the opposite. But hey, what you can do is what I want you to do. Number 3, meat and nut breakfast as is. For the meat and nut breakfast, the color coding does not apply on that. So you guys need to follow the meal 1 exactly as is. It is not, even if it says beef on fish day, it's okay. At the first meal, it does not apply. So number 4 is meals out are allowed, which means that for meal, if you're gonna eat out on whatever day, right, it's allowed as long as it follows the criteria. Understand that? So yeah, because again, it's not gonna be like a diet where you just like eat home cooked food all day, all the time. If you guys wanna have your meal out, if you decide to go to a restaurant, it's okay as long as it follows the criteria. Okay. Of my examples in the book. The 6 pro tips of phase 4 to aid you in fat metabolism. Now, your body does not burn fat, your body uses fat. So these 6 tips are going to help your body metabolize fat more efficiently and effectively. Number 1, fish oil every day. You know that. You're gonna add to fish oil CLA plus curcumin. When did you take it? Preferably maybe fish oil, CLA, curcumin. If you do that before bed, it's gonna be your best bet. But even though I think here I have it, because there's plenty of things we can do, right? But let me tell you right now, it depends on when I told you to have the probiotic. So I told you for meal 1 to have the fish oil and the multivitamin. So you can just add the CLA is taken at night, and the curcumin you can also take that with the fish oil as well. Number 2 is the leaner you are, the more carbs you can eat, which means that instead of having 2 0-carb meals, you can have 3, even 4. It depends on how lean you want to be. Okay, so take glutamate. You're gonna need glutamate. Okay, and number 4, take enough BCAAs. In this case, intrablast. Take enough BCAAs, especially while you're in a low carb zone. You need to take more BCAAs, and then you need to sleep. If you don't sleep, your body's gonna be, stress levels are gonna be way off the roof, and your body cannot metabolize fat when you are under stress. Your body is the least thing it's gonna do. Get rid of the fat while your body is under stress. So keep cortisol down by sleeping more. So make it a priority. All right. Number 6, probiotics plus your multivitamin daily. Probiotic liquid form is good. So usually you're gonna, according to the example that I give you in the book, that's gonna say take it at nighttime plus magnesium. So yeah, you guys have to do that. Magnesium and probiotic usually before bed is good. Also fish oil, but then that would mean you have to take fish oil in the morning and at night, which according to George Poliquin, you can. George Poliquin, rest in peace. Yeah, again, this works. The more you do it, the more results you're gonna get out of that. Alright, so next up is gonna be the logging. Alright, so that's a big problem. I know phase 3, a lot of you didn't. It can be a hassle, I understand. So let's talk about, first of all, the first thing. Phase 3 colors still apply on phase 4, which means that if you notice, if you go back to the week, you're gonna see the green day, blue day, red day, green, red, blue, and Sunday is just leftover day. There's the more yellow day. So we took out pork day. I know I hated that day too, but we still had to follow the rules of rotation dieting. So now number 2, guys, is like this. Monday and Tuesday, there's no carb meals at all. 0. The only 25 grams of carbs on meal 1 are gonna, on the whole day, are probably gonna come from broccoli and probably spinach, all those dark greens, and that's all you can get by with just that for 2 days. Wednesday and Thursday is gonna be just 1 carb meal per day, just one. And Friday and Saturday is gonna be 2 carb meals per day, which is equal to 75 grams of carbs. Now that is the amount of carbs you can have. Okay, that is the amount of carbs. So 2 carb meals usually equal that. Sunday, 3 carb meals per day, which is the highest, 100 grams of carbs. Okay, so the more you log, the more results. So if you log everything you eat, you're gonna see more results. It's just like that. So if you tell me, hey Cesar, I need to see more results, guess what? Guess what I'm gonna tell you? Log in what you eat. So this way, I can tell you what either needs to change or what needs to improve. It's as simple as that. Okay. So also, if in doubt, follow my meal plan. Let me tell you what that means. Okay. So my meal plan is gonna be like this. As you guys can see, it's all here. So this way you don't have to figure anything out. It's already laid out. Okay. So. And this equals to just no carbs at all, but 25. This is 25 grams of carbs. This is going to be 50 grams of carbs. So if you're wondering what does 25 grams of carbs look like, just look at this and you'll see for yourselves. So logging, guys, and that's the one thing I want to tell you is this. When you go to the grocery store, you know how you see people that they take the list and then they're at the store, and then all they have to do is just check mark. Okay, I got the milk. Okay, I got this is regular people, by the way. Cereal. I got the Special K. I got the juice. That my husband wanted. You have a list, so all you do is just check mark. It's a lot easier to go to the grocery store with your list, so you can just check it off, rather than being at the grocery store and be like, okay, what did he want again? I think he wanted this, right? I think he wanted that. So you're going to the grocery store with the plan. Let's see it the same way. What if on Sunday you see this and are like, okay, I know I'm gonna eat this. Let me copy all of this and paste it on here. So all I have to do is just check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark. Check mark, check mark, everything. Make sense? So I think that's something that you guys could consider. So copy and paste. It'll be easy. Alright? But I expect everyone to log in for phase 4. It's the last phase. It's gonna be the hardest phase? Yes it is. But this is the end of the 24-week plan. So let's finish things with the bang. Alright, so guys, this is it. I expect you guys to know what to do. Alright? Have a good night. I will see you guys next time.